In this segment, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful arrangement in an oval glass vase. Looks like a garden meadow. Flowers you can grow yourself, adds a personal touch. So we'll go right ahead to make that. I have a pre-greened vase arrangement ready, and we'll take it from there. So first, I'm going to add the beautiful Crazy One roses. Just love it. They look like they're hand painted. So insert those into your 3 points, like I've been saying. So one, give yourself the triangle. Go from edge to edge. Use your whole vase. And then the other two will add to the center, off to the side, a little bit in the center. It's going to get your shape, just like that. So then I'm going to add freesia, nice scented freesia. I went with tone on tone feeling, just to give it that smooth look without having too many shocking colors into it. So the freesias add a nice scent, so do the roses. And when we go further ahead, I've got gorgeous sweet peas to use. So I'm spreading these out. Go in between, let me show you here, add a freesia. Go into the grid like we did on the greening segment. Use your grid and that's what holds all the flowers from wiggling around. So now spin your vase if you need to. Now I'm going to use the gorgeous Sweet William. This stuff is really nice to grow, easy to grow, lots of sunshine though. It needs to grow. And we're going to place those in, gives it that nice color that flows with the roses. So put those in. I'm doing my edge first. Couple into the middle. And everything's holding nice and secure with that nice gridded top that we did. Okay. Now I've got this beautiful Astrantia, same color tone again. Another beautiful summer plant. It's a nice cutting plant. I like to grow things that are good for cutting and easy, so Astrantia is a very nice summer one to cut. So we're going to add those into the grid. See how we're getting that nice tone, even tone. Then we have the beautiful Alchemilla. This is one of my favorite garden plants. It's also called Lady's Mantle. It's so pretty in the garden, that color. And in the morning, it's got like dew all over it. So pretty. I love it. So we're going to put a splash of those in to give you the vibrancy. Working all around the vase again. Being careful. I like to just pull things aside if you're inserting so you don't damage other flowers. Cut and put in. So just put your hand and pull things aside if you need to make space. And then the beautiful sweet peas. Very nice to grow. Lots of sun too. But that would be so nice. Just get yourself a sunny spot in the garden. And those, you just have to plant the seeds and off they'll go. So I'm going to put these in clumps of 3 sometimes, just to make it go a little bit faster, especially if they're not that full. That's a good way to do it, instead of going one by one. And then the beautiful deep purple, finish off with those. Put those in. And then when you give this as a gift, everyone will be so proud of you because some of the stuff's from your garden. Just imagine anything from your garden, because a lot of it works in design. Different kind of greenery or flowers. Just try it. And there we go. We've got a beautiful design. I can add a few more Alchemilla as well. Fill in some holes. That's what you have to do to finish off your look. But look at that beautiful meadow. And then, just to finish it off, remember, we don't want to see our mechanics. So I'm going to use the Italian ruscus. Take off a few on the bottom because you don't want leaves in the water. cut your end, put it in the side. It's beautiful and bendable. Pull it up against the vase, up at the neck. Wrap it all the way around and just spin it 3 times around the main stem because you don't want it flying away. Make sure it's good and secure. And that covers your tape and mechanics and finishes it off your vase very nicely. Have fun.